Hello everyone, this is Sriharsha. Welcome to my channel. And today I have a great news. I'm going to collaborate with a magician from United States. His name is Sutton. I will leave a link in my description. You can find his channel. His name is Sutton the Magician. He's an amazing magician. You can find a lot of good content in his YouTube channel. We are going to collaborate and we are going to show you guys an amazing magic. And this time he is going to do and I'm going to reveal the trick. Okay, without further ado, let's get it. Before getting into the video, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and let's go.
What's going on, everyone? I'm Sutton the Magician, and Siri Harsha Magic and me are collaborating doing a pretty cool magic video for you guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a magic trick and he is going to reveal it. But before we get into this, hit that like button, and guys, it'd mean a lot to me if you went over to my YouTube channel, Sutton the Magician, and subscribed. I post a lot of cool videos on there. Alright guys, let's get into magic.
Hello everyone, welcome back. I think you saw his magic and now I'm going to reveal the trick. So for doing this magic, what you have to do? So for doing this magic, you need two identical cards. Okay, he used the ace of clubs and I'm going to use the same cards. Okay, you need two identical cards, and one card goes on top of the deck and another card inside your hoodie, just like that, facing this side. Okay, just so this will be the setup. Okay, so later what he did some false shuffles. Okay, first he did even though he shuffled, the top card is still on the top. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, let's do this face up so that you can understand. Okay, this is the selected card. Take almost 3/4 of the pack, just like that. I'm just coming close. Just 3/4 of the pack. Just take 3/4 of the pack and start rippling. So when you are almost done, first leave this side of the pack first and later this one, so that the top card will remain on the top. Okay, always remember where your card is. And next what he did is an overhand shuffle. It looks as like this. And again the top card remains on the top. So I will show you how to do this. Grab the deck like this, in this manner. Okay, the four fingers should be on the back and thumb finger should be on the front. With the help of these two fingers, what you have to do is grab the deck. So here what I am doing, along with the first card, I am also grabbing the back card, which is ace of club. Okay, so if you put pressure on the back with your fingers, this card will automatically come, just like that. Okay, so now this is your card, and the remaining deck, with help of your thumb, you can just grab them. So whatever you do, how many times you shuffle, the top card will always be on the top. Then next what he did is he forced the card to the spectator by using riffle force. This is how it looked like. Okay, now this card came into the middle of the deck, so I will show you how to do it. Okay, grab the cards like this. Three fingers should be on the right side of the deck and thumb finger on the top, and this finger will go back side back side of the deck, just like this, and just give a little pull. If this little pull helps the thumb to refill the cards, just like that. Okay, so refill the cards and ask the spectators to stop whenever they want to stop. Okay, let's say they told to stop right here. Okay, now what you have to do, with the help of these 3 fingers, put the pressure on the top of the card. Okay, just hold them tight, and with the help of these 2 fingers, lift the remaining pack. As you are putting pressure on the back of the card, the top card will remain there. Okay, so while in performance, it will just like that. Okay, so show this card to the spectator and tell them to remember this card, and keep the remaining deck on the top of it. That's it, you are done. So now what you have to do, take the remaining cards and keep in your hoodie. No need to use hoodie, you can also use a fan pocket or short pocket or anything, or a bag, whatever you may. So while you're putting the remaining cards here, you remember at first we already kept a card. Okay, with this hand, go inside and grab that card. Okay, now you are in this position. You are in this position inside the pocket. Okay, now what you have to do is you should act that should act like you are searching for their card. Okay, but what you are doing, you just keeping the cards inside and just shuffling, and with this hand you are bringing this card outside, leaving the remaining cards inside your pocket. That's it. Thank you guys for your amazing support. Please like, share and subscribe my video, and also don't forget to subscribe his channel, Satan the Magician.